In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to trade futures on the WEEX Exchange, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to open and close long or short positions, adjust leverage, and manage your trades with confidence. To start trading futures on the WEEX Exchange, log into your account and hover over the Futures tab. From there, choose the market you want to trade. For this demonstration, I'll be using the demo trading option, but the process is exactly the same on the live market. Once inside, select the trading pair you want. In this case, I'll choose Bitcoin. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the price chart, where you can perform your chart analysis. Below that, you can view important information such as parameters, limits, the order book, and recent market trades. At the bottom of the interface, you'll find your current positions, open orders, and order history. On the right-hand side is your main trading panel. This is where all your order settings will be configured. You can adjust your margin mode at the top and set your preferred leverage just below it. After that, you can choose between limit, market, or trigger orders. For this example, I'll select a market order so it executes instantly at the current price. Then you can enter the amount you want to trade in USDT or any supported currency. Once that's done, you'll see a complete summary of your order. You can also set your take profit and stop loss levels for both long and short positions. When you're ready, simply choose to open a long or short trade. If you want to close your position, switch to the Close tab and choose to close either long or short using similar settings as before. Your open positions and order details will always be visible below, so you can easily track everything as you trade. And that's all it takes to start trading futures on the WEEX Exchange. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it made futures trading easier for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support the content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.